So on your Commvault browser, you right click on the client computers group rather, and right click new group. Okay, so now you've seen this here. Let's just delve in a little bit. Let's double click on one of them. So I have Linux client group and the Windows client group. Let's just click on this Windows one here real quick. Just right click, go to properties. See what we can see how we can change a couple things. So you have your general tab, of course, what it is. You have the advanced tab, the SQL authentication. You can tie it to web server activity control if it's enabled, meaning it's enable backup on it, or you can do a backup of that set of client groups or client computers, if you will. Enable restore of those clients. Security function, who has rights to it. Additional settings. That's for mostly like. Let's just show you real quick. I'll click on add, and you can type pretty much any type of. You know how in Windows it's like a registry key. This is basically what it is here for that. You're creating a registry key for that function. So for instance, what is the name and the description? It's going to tell you what it is. This key helps use additional settings to enable CIFS. Yeah, so it's pretty nice. Pretty nice. Got to close that. Then we're going to click on data loss prevention and storage device. Now storage device is kind of nice because you can have multiple clients talk to one storage policy. For instance, you would have, say, you have a Windows file. Usually the storage is all one, Linux or Windows, doesn't really matter. It's just the interface and how they connect to it is different. Be it what, CIFS or NFS, I think it is. So, you know, you can have different storage policy assigned to different Windows or Linux clients, if you like. And then the other one is a network. So for instance, you click on network down there. This is kind of nice. This is almost like a routing, basically for the client group itself. You can network throttle, which is nice. For instance, say it's during the daytime, you're doing backups, you want to enable throttling on those network clients. That's an awesome feature, by the way. And then VPN client, and then of course remote client access. But the coolest one here is the network throttle. Just having the ability to throttle backups during the business hours, and then at night just full on go. It's really a nice feature. So that's how you set up client groups on the CommServe.